In this video, we're going to look at terms and like terms and what they are. In an equation, we might have 3x plus 2y minus 7. Each of these is a term. 3x is a term, 2y is a term, and minus 7 is a term. They're all terms, each individual part of the equation. Like terms is when we have the same sort of thing. So 3x and 5x are like terms because they're both multiples of x. 2y and 7y are like terms because they're both multiples of y. Minus 7 and 10 are like terms because they're not x or y or any other form of algebra, they're just plain numbers. So that's terms, any part of an equation, and like terms, which either finish with the same sort of algebra, so x or y or anything else, or are just a number.